This started when watching Gilly in such hurting so much, we decided that we would look for medical treatment outside in Europe. We went onto the internet and we found Mario Marinov and his company, Croatian Medical Tourism. Mario gave me his first responses. I had other responses none were as complete. He answered my questions in full and gave me additional information. He pointed me in the right direction to Professor Nemec, and I did some independent research to see whether Professor Nemec had the capabilities that I felt comfortable with. Professor Nemec works with FIFA, so I knew he had a little bit of knowledge. Yeah. But reading about him on the internet, it became clear that he was a true expert. I'm so grateful to Mario because throughout the whole exercise he supported me with help in Croatia, as well as the specific issues of medical care. He's given me help, and I even know how to park cars here now. He's given me a lot of help and always been on hand to provide a contact if I needed it. And we made a decision with Mario's help to come to Croatia.
And this is very funny. I think Professor Nemec came round quite late in the evening to say hello, and he said, "Are you happy?" And I said, yeah, I'm okay. And he said, "Good, now I can sleep." Now I am happy.
The medical facility is specifically designed for this type of treatment, hip, shoulder.
Yeah, orthopedic procedure. Yeah.
Immediately reassured me that Gilly was being treated properly. The place was spotless, the staff were well trained, well motivated, and happy. The medical care Gilly had was excellent from the day she was operated on through the short period of intensive monitoring that she went through afterwards.
And then I was removed here to the hotel with the recovery unit, and every day 2 separate hours of physio, which I think must be so beneficial. And that's all part of the whole service, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's taken care of. And the physio people are absolutely brilliant, they're fun. And so, yeah, again, happy. One evening, I was just relaxing in my room. I thought, on my door, I think, who is this? And who was it? It was Professor Nemec. Made a special trip, no doubt to the other patients too, but to
Yes.
see how everything was going. Now, I thought that was a lovely gesture.
Yes.
Really, he didn't have to do that, so I thought that was very good.
It was a Sunday evening. It was so reassuring to know that Gilly was being so carefully monitored through to a good recovery. And I had the difficult task in the background, of course, of sampling the joys of Apache, which is a lovely place, a delightful health resort. The wine here is, I have to say, excellent. The food is very, very good. And so I had the tough part, but no, it was good. It's been a very, very good experience, and no more pain.
Yeah.
No more pain.
I think finally, I'd just like to emphasise that I don't think one could look for any better care than with Professor Nemec and his team. I think the whole issue right the way through is absolutely outstanding. And again, after the surgery, when you come to the recovery, there are other benefits. There's a wonderful spa, absolutely fantastic, where you can go and really learn, to use your legs again in water, which is also tremendously beneficial and all part of the service.
Yeah.
So, yeah, splendid, all of it.
The specialist clinic at Matuli is absolutely spotless. the Thalassotherapy Hospital here, I mean, it has been excellent, hasn't it? The room is beautifully kept. The medical staff are very, very caring, aren't they? And the physiotherapy are good fun, I think, as well. And they give you a lot of help.